Hi, I'm Harish Godeti and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the biggest challenge for AWS partners. So you won't hear about it often because it's like the unspoken word, right? So today we are going to talk about what is the biggest challenge for AWS partners. No, it is not the generative AI that is, it is not the latest in technology, it is not the changes in the industry, it's not that, it's the biggest challenge is something else, and that's what we want to talk about in this particular video. So before we jump on, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead, subscribe to this channel, because this channel is all about helping AWS partners scale their practice. And that has been my focus for the last 1.5 year. And I got very good feedback from multiple partners on the content, and also I directly work with multiple partners to help them scale their practice. So let's dive in to understand what is the biggest challenge for AWS partners. Before we dive in, let's understand the partner roadmap, APN roadmap, right? So APN stands for AWS Partner Network, and this is how the roadmap, right? This is what generally the flow of a partner program. First, the partner aims to become a select tier partner, right? So select tier status. So that requires three launched opportunities, right? So then they get the select tier. Then we have to aim for getting ACE eligible. That requires 10 opportunities. Yes, there are other requirements. We're not talking about the teams, the service delivery designations. We're not talking about, we are just talking about opportunities in this instance. So ACE eligible, in order to become ACE eligible. So what is ACE eligible? ACE eligible is a status where you go into the, you are now in the radar of AWS partner team, where they can share the opportunities with you, right? So become ACE eligible, you have to have 10 launched opportunities, plus yes, you have to have a service delivery designation, etc. But opportunities is what we're talking now. So then the next thing that partners focus on is getting to advanced tier, which is 20 launched opportunities, right? So that's a huge number. So get to 20 launched opportunities, and yes, there are team requirements, there are other things, partner business plan, other stuff, but 20 launched opportunities, right? So next thing is getting competencies. So that's what they aim for. I mean, it can happen during advanced year, before advanced year, or later, whatever it is. So every competency requires 4 case studies, right? So that is generally the target. Finally, once you get through all these competencies and everything, you aim for the premier tier, the the topmost tier for AWS partner program, which is 50 launched opportunities, in a calendar year, in a 12-month period, right? So that's when you get to premier tier. So this is all good. So they are the partner program, you are making efforts, you are getting all these things. So the challenge really here is, the biggest challenge that I see with the partners is maintaining the partner tier status. Getting there is a challenge in itself, but maintaining that is the biggest challenge. Each year upon tier renewal, the partner scorecard must meet the tier requirements to enjoy the benefits, right? So if you are an advanced tier partner, in 12 months you again have to, when tier renewal happens, you have to have those 20 opportunities to get to the advanced tier status, right? So that is really the biggest challenge, to keep going, right? So you can't slow down. It is a constant, what do you call it? Yes, it's a business, you keep on doing it, you might say, hey, but what you have to focus on is on the opportunities, and maintaining the partner tier status. So it's not just the opportunities, it's about the the team size, it's about different things that you need to really focus on to get to that the partner, maintaining the partner tier status. So how do you do it? So yes, I shared the challenge. Now what is the solution, right? So my goal is not just to show you a problem, but also give you options on how to get to resolve this challenge, right, or overcome this challenge. So the solution really is, step one, it's not, these are not steps, but these are the recommendations, right? So invest in marketing, right? So you have to, as a partner, you can't, yes, you may have some contracts within AWS, or you may have a client base that you're already serving and want to become a partner, but you should invest in marketing, right? And AWS Marketing Central is amazing, and has a lot of stuff for you to use it, leverage it for demand generation. And if that's where, if you're not sure how to do that, and how what Marketing Central is, how to do it, yes, I don't recommend partner owners, especially in the management roles, to waste your time on these things. Just hire an AWS Alliance lead, and to help you with all these activities, so that you can focus on your core thing, which is scaling your business, right? So next thing is build at least three sources for lead generation, right, with the help of an Alliance lead. So you need to identify, hey, probably you have connections, you are speaking with people, so yes, that's one. So there are other ways to generate leads, and then Alliance lead can help you get through the lead generation process. The third one is focus on service delivery designations and competencies. So you have to constantly file those applications, file those enroll in those submit those program applications constantly, because the more you have it, the more lucky you get more opportunities from AWS and from outside. So always keep your focus on submitting as many applications as possible, because they also get you a lot of marketing development funds that you can use to generate demand, right? And do not, and all the most important thing is, do not neglect small deals. So yes, there may be a few $1,000s, but do them, because they may lead to a new thing, or that company may scale in the future, or they that will still act as a case study, right, for a new thing. So do those things, which is really important. Do not neglect those small days. Finally, work with an Alliance lead to stay up to date on new programs and options to scale. So like I said, it is really important to the Alliance lead role within the partner network program is critical, because they can help you get to you know a different level altogether with your partner program. So you don't need to worry about what I have to do next. They'll give you the roadmap, and then do it. So I consult as an Alliance lead for multiple partners, and I create a customized roadmap for partners based on what they are aiming for, what they are trying to do, what their goals are, how much they want to grow, and other stuff. So yeah, if you want to go ahead and connect with me, feel free, and then we can go ahead and start figuring out if we are a right fit, and we can work together to scale your partner program. I hope this video is useful. Do subscribe to this channel to keep watching amazing content on scaling your partner program. Thanks a lot for watching, and talk to you soon.